Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video from Home Depot. I picked up some saw blades and a couple other items. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I went to Home Depot yesterday and I grabbed this item. I went to Home Depot today, grabbed these two bags. Everything on the floor, but we'll kind of show these more in depth on the next video. So these were bought today, so if I did these videos separate, this would be first and then this would be the second video, but we're just gonna open all of these on this video. And this one's kind of obvious. It's just a measuring tape. It's a 300-foot measuring tape from Dewalt. I know Milwaukee makes one, but I can't find it. So other than the spot right here, the tape being kinked, this is a fabric tape. It's not metal. And I need to pop this guy off. It's zip tied. That just pops on the side like that. You can just tighten it. Okay, and then grabbed a couple items, other items today. And these were at like four different Home Depots. So I'll open this bag as well. That receipt. Alright, so I grabbed this Avanti OSB and plywood 7 1/4 inch 140 tooth saw blade. Remove this label before using, but it's for plywood, OSB, and plastics, for regular 7 1/4 inch circuit saw. Then I picked up these three. So this is a ultra finish 7 1/4 inch 60 tooth Diablo blade, and this guy is made in Italy. Right there, it's made in Italy. There you go. And then I grabbed two of these guys. These are the ultimate framing demolition blades. These are 7 1/4. They're Diablos. They're the Demon, Demo Demons by Diablo. These were $14 a piece. This one was $20. And then this Avanti 140 tooth, because these aren't carbide, they're just regular cutters. This was $6.79. So I grabbed two of these at the $14. They do have a couple extra things. So there is another 24 tooth like this guy. This is a 24 tooth. There's another one just like this, but it's not the new tracking point amped tooth geometry blades, because this is the amped version. The regular one is $9.97 right now. These are $14. It wasn't really much of a difference in my opinion, but these amped blades, the carbide teeth are a little wider. They're wider. And the other thing is the regular $9 blades, they have this swoop in the blade, but this actual swoop right here isn't in the blade. This cutout isn't there. So it does have a couple extra relief cutouts. But they're going to get used. They're more than likely not going to be noticeable. I'll probably take a picture of them just so I can remember what they look like. These blades are also made in Italy. Right there. So I grabbed 3 Diablo blades made in Italy. I grabbed 2 of these Husky 2-in-1 extendable squares. You can get these from Crescent, you can get them from Husky and a couple other companies. So this is a regular this is a regular, I believe, 7-inch rafter square. And it extends to a 12-inch length, which is nice. Some things you just need the 6-inch or the 7-inch square, but you need, you know, 12-inch add-on, so that's kind of nice. And these are part number 1004308-202 for the rafter squares. I did pick up a couple Empire items as well. I picked up this compass with scriber, this 4-inch brass pocket caliper, and this 7 3/4-inch precision pencil compass. So the precision pencil compass is part number 27030 or 58681044. This guy right here is 2783 for just the brass caliper. 2783. And then this one is 27031 for the compass with scriber. Yeah, 27030. So what I picked up, other than the stuff that's down here, is a bunch of Milwaukee stuff and some drippers and a light. So, try to pop one of these out of the box. It's a 2-in-1 extendable square, fold out arm, turns a 6-inch square into a 12-inch square. Arm securely folds shut for compact storage on tool belt. Laser marked graduation notches, allows for easy layouts. That was pretty easy to remove it. So let me grab another one of my squares. Here's a Milwaukee square. So if I grab the measuring tape, this is a 7-inch square. So yep, these are 6-inch square compared to these, because from here to here is 7 inches. So it's a little bit smaller than this guy, as you can tell. But in order to make it an even 12-inch square, they had to do that. So, which is actually nice. So let me grab a different square. Here's a 12-inch square. This is an Empire square right here. So this is a normal size 12-inch square. 10, 11, 12. So this should be exactly even with the 12-inch square. That's a little longer. That's interesting how this 12-inch, this little 6-inch Husky is a little longer than this Empire square. Look at that. Let's see if I can show you guys a little better. There you go. So the bottom one is the Husky. The top one is the standard 12-inch Empire. I'm gonna try to get it lined up. There. So it is a little bit longer. So we're gonna have to, what I'm gonna have to do is we're gonna have to probably do a video separately on this and run a line on a piece of wood with this, and then run a line right underneath it with this guy, and we're gonna have to measure to see which one is 12 inches and which one isn't. But we can check real quick with this measuring tape. See, it looks a little off even with the measuring tape. That is very interesting. Wonder if it was printed wrong. Look at that. The 12 doesn't match up on that one. Doesn't match on this one. Yes, it does. This one actually matches up perfectly at the very corner. So that is very, very interesting. Yep. Guess we're gonna have to do a further video on that. Let me check the other one too. Okay, drop these to the side. Let's open this one up also. And these are nice because they pivot. That is odd. It's measuring too big. It's measuring 3/8 too long for both of them. It's very intriguing. If you guys have seen that with these, let me know. These Husky squares they're 6-inch squares. When you fold them open, they're supposed to be 12 inches. The part number on both of these, just for reference, 1004308202. Says 6-inch extension for 6 or 12-inch layout needs. But pick those up. Just, you know, if they're wrong, it's not a big deal. You can always just double check your math. And then these guys, need to grab the cutter real quick. This is a little compass with scriber. Just going to cut these open real quick. This is metal too. Just a little simple scriber. You can put a regular pencil in this guy. Nothing too fancy. It was only $2. This guy was, I believe, like $3 or $4. This is just a little handheld adjustable brass caliper for measurements. And this does outer inches, it's on the outside of these wings, inner inches in the inside of the jaw, and it has it marked inches and metric. So it's 100 millimeters, 4 inches. It's a very nice little unit, very simple design, nothing like special, but Very handy. Pick that up. And this guy right here is a 7 3/4 inch pencil compass. I can't find my original compass. I had original old metal stainless steel one. This looks like it does come with pencil tips. Yep, already sharpened pencil tips, which is nice. Simple wider adjustment in the center. Adjustments on the bottom for the pencil tip as well as the stainless steel pivoting tip. But that's everything that I picked up today. That we're going to do on this video. Move some of this stuff around. So these two guys and all the blades. And if you guys want any more information on these, just ask me. I can always go grab the blades, and I can always take pictures of them and put the information on the video for you guys. I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for checking out the small little haul today. These blades are because I picked up another saw, which you guys will see soon enough. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description, I also do have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys want to use that link, it will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it will kicks me back 10% off of my next order with them, which is awesome. It's win-win. If you guys have the same issue with these squares, let me know. Because 6-inch, and it says 12-inch on here, but even with a measuring tape, it's coming up as 12 inches and 3/8 of an inch long. So that math doesn't add up. Let me know if you guys had the same issue with these. Did you pick them up and have the same problem? They didn't measure properly? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!